Hey guys, so I want to run a little test here. I have a completely unknown polish, some unknown cleaning liquid, and some extremely foggy headlights. So I just want to see what a polish will do, just a polish alone. I know that a lot of people, when they're this bad, tend to sort of sand them down and then use a drill with a head on it and all kinds of stuff. I don't have any of that at the moment. Everything's kind of closed. This car needs new brakes on both sides, so like the calipers are all out right now, so I can't even take it anywhere. It's completely stationary. So I'm just gonna give this a quick crack and see how it goes. I'm curious. So yeah, let's do it.
Is your head spinning too? Should I stop or are you falling for me? Is your world stop spinning? Is your head spinning too?
Let's go install a head unit.
My world stopped spinning. Now my world revolves around you. Did your heart stop when you first saw me? Did your world stop spinning? Does your world revolve around me? Me too. Me too. Should I stop or are you falling for me? Is your world stop spinning? Is your head spinning too? Did your heart stop when you first saw me? Did your world stop spinning? Does your world revolve around me? Me too. Me
Alright, well, let's go. This is how it's looking at the moment. There's a shitload I don't understand about it. It's not the best thing in the world. There's a lot of fiddling around to get it fitted, but we'll work it out. It'll be good. At least it'll do the job for now. Yeah.